Winter set in now, Kev, hasn't it?
It's a bit chilly.
Bit chilly. New week, Motorhome HQ. So we've got a customer's van in here. We're just checking solar for them. I don't know what we're going to do without this sun though, are we?
I've got a torch.
Van we've just had in, Auto Cruise Store stream there. And then we've got the roller team, which has just been prepped up, ready to go out.
Yeah.
Have a look at this, Kev.
Ooh, yeah.
What colour do you think that is?
Mushroom.
No. Ascot white or Ascot grey.
It can't be white. It's not white.
Ascot grey then.
Oh,
That's it.
Ascot, yeah.
Have a look at this. Look at this for a nice one.
Ascot's got nothing to do with grey.
Look at this here. We've got the 2-burner hob. We've got the what's that? The fridge. What else have we got? Oh, heating as well. We've got in it. So it's got everything we need. We've got the pop top roof as well, and we've got the rock and roll bed and the swivel seats. Yeah.
Come.
You paused then, didn't you?
I did pause, yeah.
Yeah. We've got work to do, Kev. I forgot to tell people we've got work to do.
We've
as
got
well.
work to do. We've got
so
work.
Don't forget, like and subscribe as well.
Yeah. All right, bye.
So it's a new day, and today is the coldest it's been. Look at the poorly vans there, all cold. So it's a good job we drained everything down last week, so all the vans are drained down. We used to have trees going across here. And what's happened now, so we've got them all cut down, and the wind really comes across, so it gets really cold here this time of year. My morning's been spent just doing a pre-check on this Rapido as it's going out tomorrow. What a lovely looking van this is. So we've got the dinette here behind the driver and passenger, and then we have the centre kitchen with a long fridge freezer. It's also got satellite on this van, and then look at that, the island bed at the back. And then you know how I keep going on about light, how they make such a difference? Look at that. Such simple, but just makes such a nice effect. Anyway, let's crack on. That's me done for today now. One thing it does do, it gets dark really quick up here out in the countryside. Now, doesn't that little Lima that we've just done look nice with the lights on? Let me show you inside. So we're just giving it a clean out at the moment. It's a 6-metre A-class. As you can see above, you've got the drop-down bed. And then let's have a look along. Look at that for an end part of the motorhome. Where we've got there, we've got the kitchen area, plenty of prep, plenty of storage as well. We've got the tall slimline fridge. Just show you inside. The washroom. There we go. I really do like this Imer. Anyway, time to go home. Kev, I'm going to show you how you can turn a Volkswagen into a convertible.
Cabriolet.
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 Same thing, isn't it? Convertible cabriolet.
Yeah, posh word for it.
Was that the posh word?
Yeah.
See your pop top there?
Yep.
Watch this. Look at that.
Yeah. I still think it looked better when I couldn't see your face, though.
Hey, well, what happens is, see, that hooks up like so. There,
Yeah.
just put that in there. And then that hooks up. I can't reach up there, oh, I can.
There's no chance of me reaching then, is there?
Do you know what I mean?
That's good, that, because it does get warm in there in the summer.
Do you like that?
These pop tops, yeah. Yeah, very good. Very well thought out.
Impressed with that?
Yeah.
There
Right.
you go. So today must be the coldest day on record. It's really awkward to get things done. If you've not done it, don't forget to drain down your fresh water. Don't forget to drain down your wastewater. And more importantly, don't forget to drain down your hot water. So give that a drain down. So make sure all three are drained down. Open your taps up so you get no nasty surprise when you come back to it when you start camping again.